Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP formula in MS Excel. Here is our sample data which has employee ID, his name, country and his sales. Suppose we want to find out the name, country and sales of the person who has employee ID of this one. So we go here on name and press equals to VLOOKUP, hit the tab key, and the lookup value for ourselves is this one, which is employee ID, comma, table array is the whole table, so select the whole table by pressing Ctrl Shift right arrow and Ctrl Shift down arrow, comma, column index number is the number of the column which includes our data, for example our name. So our name is in column number 2, this is our column number 1, this is 2, 3 and 4, so our name is in column number 2, so we'll type 2 and then comma. Range lookup means we want to find out an approximate match or an exact match. So we want exact match. So for exact match, we click 0 and then bracket close and enter. So we get the name Jonah for this employee. Same here for the country. We press equals to VLOOKUP, hit the tab key. Lookup value is our employee ID, comma, table array is the whole table, so select the whole table by pressing Ctrl Shift right, Ctrl Shift down, comma, column index number this time is column number 3 which has our countries, so 3, comma, and the range is for exact match for 0, enter. So this is our country, and for sale we go again VLOOKUP, tab key, lookup value is employee ID, comma, table array is the whole table, comma, and the column index number is now column number 4 which has our sales, type 4, comma, and 0 for exact match, bracket close and enter. So this is our VLOOKUP formula. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP in MS Excel. Now, so if we change this ID to some other number, suppose that this one, you see that our data is also changed. So it is a dynamic and fully automatic. I hope you can now easily use VLOOKUP formula in MS Excel.